been a while since I drove the car on the highway, so I actually don't know if the drivetrain error problem is continuing. Nevertheless, I'm gonna assume that as I've done nothing to fix it, it should still be there. So what I've done is I've purchased this Wynn's dry fuel additive to the fuel. It says it works on petrol and diesel engines. On the bottle itself, it doesn't actually say that it needs a full tank of petrol before you add it in, but if you download their PDF, their specifications document, it says you should add 375 mLs to a full tank of fuel. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to the petrol station, fill up, and then add this thing in. Fingers crossed. If it is water, it's contaminated my fuel, then this should help absorb it. Okay, tank is full. Let's see if I can peel this with latex gloves on. Okay, formulated to absorb water from the fuel system, guard against rust and corrosion, improve cold starting, clean fuel injectors, prevent carburetor and fuel filter icing, improve fuel efficiency, restore lost power, goodness gracious, great balls of fire, lubricate parts in fuel system. Directions: add 1 bottle of 325 ml to the diesel fuel or petrol tank. For best results, use every 6 months. Bottle also suitable for capless diesel fuel filters. Okay, so it's claiming a lot, but let's actually see what it can do. So it was. Okay, so the bottle is 325 ml, not 375, as I said before. Cool. It's in there.